What are you interested in? What is your hobbies? Video games? You like video games? Huh?
Playing video games.
Playing video games. So what forms of energy did we talk about in video games?
Mechanical energy and electricity and also energy from the batteries.
Bam! And say if you have a PlayStation 4 or something that is new that has the lights, you also would have a radiant energy. And LEDs don't produce a lot of thermal energy, but you'd have a little bit there. Any other questions? Because I'm sure your teacher is going to want to teach y'all before the day's over, besides us being there. One more for you.
Whenever you say in the light, over there on the sharpener, whenever it's sharpening, the light pops up. But inside of it, is it because of the razor blades that, like, how are they moving so fast?
On what there?
Electricity.
Your pencil sharpener?
Yeah.
It uses electricity, which turns into what kind of energy? Mechanical? Beautiful. And if it has the light on it, it's just a type of radiant energy. So, and usually if you have a light on something like that that's showing you that you're using it, a lot of times it's contact. When you put something in there, it makes contact. You might push a button at the end of it showing. It'll use electrical signal and turn on the light. So, that's how that works. Any other questions?
I've got a question for them.
Okay.
Is that good?
I would like for you to tell Mr. Strange and Mr. Thomas about, think about our last lab with flippers. When, think about it before you raise your hand, when did it have potential and when did it have kinetic?
When
did it have kinetics?
When we push it down, it has.
One at a time, y'all raise your hands.
And when did it have the most potential?
When you, it had the most potential when you then you let go. It had the most.
So halfway would be what? About half that, right?
And the second
If we bring the stick out farther, we have a longer distance from the pivot point to there.
It doesn't go on.
When we looked at our data, did it show that the longer the stick, the more potential? It did, but you didn't know those vocabulary then, did you?
So now we know a little bit more vocabulary.
So today and this weekend, a long weekend, be looking for potential and kinetic energy and some of these energies that they talked about today. Try to identify those because next week we're going to actually be doing swingers and a pendulum with a washer and a string. We're going to be doing different lengths and different size washers on the end. So gravity's going to play a part. Everything we're learning is tying together. So what they did today is bringing you from the lesson we've already done into the lesson we're fixing to do next week. So you can be thinking about that all weekend. Notice your car, your toys, everything at home, maybe utensils in the kitchen. When are you using potential, when are you using kinetic, and when does it have the most potential? What do we say to them?
Thank you.
Thank y'all for letting us come and have a little bit of time to teach y'all a few things. And